They stepped outside to meet the morning that called. A path of sunlight and small discoveries, bars.
They learned to read the language of water, reflections that changed with every step.
Among the bright stalls, they found 1,000 tiny stories in hundred, and smelled 1,000 suns.
They chased shadows and caught the feeling of being small under something vast. Between banks of water, they learned to look down and up, not missing a single wonder. They ran without names, just the language of wind and grass guiding their steps. And when the light folded itself away, they came home, carrying the day in their quiet hearts.